I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Daniel. Me and you are together. I'm
done with
sorry.
all this. I'm done with all this.
I'm
Did you see
done.
it?
Yes, I was in there when he was there. I can't.
Did you see it?
Yes, I was in there when he was.
Halo teman-teman pemirsa, selamat datang di PKT pertama. Pria di depan kita ini adalah anak bungsu berusia 19 tahun, Kasih. Dia lagi nangis pengen peluk ayahnya. Baru aja tadi, pas dia bangun tidur, dia malah lihat ibunya sama kakaknya di kasur, lagi ngelakuin hal yang gak bisa diceritain. Jadi dia langsung lari keluar rumah. Di rumah tetangga, dia telepon polisi. Gak lama, seorang polisi datang ke tempat kejadian, lihat ayahnya yang lapor lagi berdiri tanpa sepatu di jalan.
What's going on, dude? That's a messed up, man. I just walked in and talking to my freaking wife and her son having sex.
Okay.
I'm 100% serious. She's drunk as all get out. He was too, and he just left.
What's he wearing?
My daughter just lives right there. That's probably where he's at.
Okay.
Ayah ini bilang ke polisi, dia baru pulang kerja hari ini, langsung lihat istri berusia 45 tahun sama anak sulung berusia 27 tahun lagi main bareng di kasur. Dia nggak tahan lihat pemandangan itu, langsung lari keluar tanpa sepatu. Sekarang istrinya masih berbaring di sana, anak sulung buru-buru pakai baju lari ke blok sebelah.
Literally, sickest thing I've ever seen in my freaking life, dude. Now she's just laying there. I need you to come talk to her. I need her gone. She's laying right there. You talk to her. Open the door.
Hello? Miss Crystal?
I swear to God, I'm alive.
Miss Crystal?
He was laying there butt naked, legs spread, and he had his dick in it. And I walked in, and they just both looked at me, and he just started shaking his freaking head.
Miss Crystal?
Hands up, and he left. And now she's sitting there, and she's screaming, "What are you talking about? What are you talking about?" I got cops in here tonight.
Polisi manggil ibunya beberapa kali, tapi nggak ada jawaban. Entah dia ketiduran atau nggak mau jawab. Sementara itu, ayah di halaman, lagi heboh telepon semua orang yang dia kenal.
She's drunker and shit. I don't know if she was so fucking drunk, didn't know it, and he fucking raped her or something. I don't know. I have no idea. I'll get y'all, I'll get to talk to the cop. I don't know what's going on.
You know him?
That's the other son.
Okay. Is that the one that we're
No.
talking about? Okay.
Oh, he's crying.
Saat ini, anak bungsu yang lapor ke tetangga lari balik sambil nangis. Jelas banget pemandangan mengerikan tadi, bikin hatinya kacau banget.
How long?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Daniel. Me and you are together. I'm
I'm done with
sorry.
all this. I'm done with all this.
I'm done. I'm done.
How long? Or does
I can't.
Did you see it?
Yes, I was in there when he was doing.
Why didn't you stop him?
I can't. He's too big. This shit is too fucking out of hand.
Where does the other son live at?
Oh, I want.
Probably right there in that house.
Where are they? They're in Summers.
Dennis, I don't know. Your mom's sitting right here.
Nah.
Yeah.
Entah karena marah, atau karena kata-kata ayah bikin dia ngerasa bersalah. Anak bungsu, setelah tahu ibunya masih di kasur, malah lari masuk kamar mau mukuli. Polisi lihat itu langsung ikut masuk bareng ayah.
Hey,
Hey, quit. Quit.
That's my brother, Mom. That's my brother, Mom. Get the fuck off me, Mom.
Hey, quit. Quit.
Get the fuck off me, Mom.
Hey, quit.
Get the car!
Quit.
Stop, y'all! Take your boat!
Stop.
Hey.
I promise I'm not doing
Hey,
it.
put your hands behind your back.
I just don't want to
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Here, sir.
Put your hands behind your back.
I promise. I was just trying to get her off me. You're nasty. You're nasty, Mom. Don't.
Hey, quit.
You're nasty.
I love you.
You're
I
nasty.
love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Let's go inside.
Harus diakui, pemandangan saat ini memang agak canggung. Apalagi ibu ini, terus-terusan bilang aku sayang kamu ke anak bungsunya. Seperti bisa bikin semuanya normal lagi gitu.
I love you.
Mom, no, you don't. Shut the f*** up. You're f***ing gross, Mom. That's all you are. You're f***ing nasty.
I love you.
Don't. You f***ed up, Mom.
Karena anak bungsu emosi banget, polisi cuma bisa masukin dia ke mobil polisi dulu. Terus mereka mau tanya ke ayah, tapi ayah sibuk telepon temen dan keluarga. Polisi terpaksa balik ke anak bungsu, tanya detail kejadian ke dia.
We came back from work and we got he got a couple beers, and I had that beer, and but before Daniel got home, we went back, and they got a big bottle of it was a triple shot. Yeah, it was a pop-up. It was. I wish I could tell you. It was about this big. It was a pretty good. It was a pretty good bottle. And they were drinking it on the way home. Dennis was driving. Mom was in the passenger, and I was in the back. I came back home, and we started sitting in the living room, and Mom had her music playing on the record, and I'm laying on the floor, and I sit there for a minute, and I start to doze off for a second, and next thing I know, Mom's moaning, and
So you
Dennis
was
on top.
you was in the living room.
I was watching the whole thing.
Okay. So you
For-
heard it. You heard the moaning or whatever.
I heard it for a good hour.
Okay. And then
Until I did anything because I was scared. I didn't want him to jump up after me. I just
Okay, when-
ran. I seen her pants down and everything.
okay.
Setelah tahu ceritanya, polisi melepas borgol anak bungsu. Dia kehilangan ibu dan kakaknya dalam sehari, semoga anak muda ini bisa move on dari semua ini. Sementara itu, polisi udah dapat keterangan dari beberapa saksi, mereka lalu menuduh ibunya dengan tuduhan incest, dan memasang borgol ke ibunya.
So I know you talked to this officer earlier. Can you kind of talk to me about what got guys caught out here?
Can you flip my hair back?
That's kind of the best I can do.
What's up?
So what got us caught out here? Like what was going on?
Honestly, just a mutual agreement.
Mutual what?
Agreement?
Agreement?
Yeah.
On what?
Di hadapan pertanyaan polisi, ibu ini nggak milih jawab lebih lanjut, tapi terus bilang mereka tadi mabuk berat dan ngalihin topik, ngomong nggak karuan. Polisi nggak bisa apa-apa, terpaksa bawa dia ke kantor polisi dulu. Terus polisi nemuin anak sulung di dekat situ, dan pasang borgol ke dia.
He got a little loud and started yelling and stuff like that, so I just walked out. I walked down there to the dirt road down there above 4, started walking just to kind of get the heat out of the room and everything and get.
Okay. So what's the incident that he got up to about or they walked in on?
Just family stuff, man. It's just stupid stuff. Like, I really don't want to talk about it. It's got a long way.
Kelihatan sih, anak sulung sama ibunya nggak kayak orang mabuk. Nggak jelas, apa mereka udah pernah gitu sebelumnya. Terus, ibu sama anak ini dibawa ke kantor polisi. Tapi meski diinterogasi, keduanya masih malu buat ceritain detail. Cuma sepakat bilang, mereka waktu itu mabuk dan ngaku perbuatan mereka. Setelah itu kami tahu, pasangan ini baru nikah 4 bulan sebelum kejadian. Sebagai ayah tiri, pria ini baru aja deket sama anak-anaknya, malah ketemu kejadian konyol ini. Sekarang pengadilan udah setuju permen cerainya. Soal ibu sama anak itu, mereka dipenjara karena tuduhan incest. Tuduhan ini jarang banget, termasuk kejahatan kelas C. Kalau terbukti bersalah, bisa dipenjara 3-10 tahun. Buat kejadian ini, kamu pikir apa? Silahkan tinggalkan komentar di kolom diskusi.